In this video, I'm going to show you how you can hide your YouTube channel. So if you no longer need the public to access your videos on your YouTube channel, but at the same time you don't want to delete your videos, then the only thing you need to do is to go ahead and unhide your channel by making it private or unlisting all the videos. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on your icon here to go to your YouTube studio. So choose YouTube studio, and from here go ahead and click on settings, and under settings go ahead and choose upload defaults. Under upload defaults, go ahead and click on basic info, and then down here you should be able to see the visibility status. Currently you can see it is set to public, which means my videos are available to the public on YouTube. If you want to change this, go ahead and click on it, and then you can either choose your videos to be private or unlist them. So if you choose to be private, it means they can only be visible to you, and if you unlist them, it means apart from not being available to the public, your videos will not be crawled by search engines on YouTube. Once you have made your choice, go ahead and save the changes, and now your videos will be private and no longer available to the public. So that's how you can hide your videos or make them private. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.